And we are back at the ROCKWOOL exhibit here at the International Builder Show, Orlando, Florida. And with us is a celebrity.
Well, thank you.
He is the most watched drummer in the world.
The most watched.
That's what I said. I didn't say washed. I said watched.
Is Ringo Starr still alive? Oh.
No. This isn't Ringo Starr. This is Casey Cooper.
Oh, Casey Cooper.
And he has a YouTube channel.
Casey Cooper?
Yes.
Wow.
He has a YouTube channel with 1 million listeners over that.
What's a drummer doing at a builder's convention?
I have no idea.
Maybe
Why don't we ask him? Yeah.
Hey, Casey, welcome to the program.
Hello. Thank you so much for having me.
So tell us a little bit about how you became the most watched drummer and where people can watch you.
Okay, so I actually just started putting on videos on YouTube about 6 years ago, and my goal was to entertain and inspire people and just have fun playing, and it's just continued to grow over the years. People seem to enjoy the crazy things I do, like I even light my sticks on fire and play drums with my sticks on fire, and so today, I'm excited to be here at the ROCKWOOL booth because I've been working with those guys to build my new studio, and so I'm using their insulation, the Safe and Sound insulation, as well as some of the other options they have to finish out my studio build, and today I'm demonstrating the sound properties of that insulation.
Isn't it amazing?
It is. It's really incredible. It
truly is. We just did an historic renovation, and we used their thermal product at the exterior, and we used the sound attenuation product, the Safe and Sound, at the interior.
At the perimeter of the master bedroom.
You could just, it was amazing. The sound just, boom.
Oh, yeah.
And I guess that your neighbors are very grateful for the fact that you have Safe and Sound.
They are very grateful. I use the thermal for my inspections around the exterior walls, and then I actually filled the exterior walls past the thermal insulation all the way up to the studs with the Safe and Sound.
Now, I want to know, do you have albums?
I don't have any albums. I have singles and different tracks that I've recorded with different bands.
And you're the most watched because of your YouTube channel. And if our listeners wanted to check out Casey Cooper play the drums, they would do that how?
They would just go to YouTube and search Casey Cooper drummer or Cooper drummer. Either one of those works, and they'll find almost 1,000 videos.
Almost 1,000? You have 1,000 videos?
I've been busy playing drums.
Oh, you certainly have. How long have you been playing drums?
I've been playing drums since I was 6, so about 18 years.
And when did you discover ROCKWOOL?
I actually discovered them a little over a year and a half ago when I was doing research on what products I should use for my studio.
And will we see you at your YouTube channel playing your drums surrounded by ROCKWOOL?
Yes, there will be videos of the ROCKWOOL product and everything on my YouTube channel.
Wonderful.
Now, everybody wants to know what our guests look like. So I'm going to say you're tall, slender, very masculine build, and you look like the kind of guy at your age who still gets carded.
Yes, I do get carded sometimes.
Yeah, he's coming clean.
And my hands shake, so it's really bad when I get carded and my hands like shaking, and they're like, "You look like you're 12."
Yes.
He's Casey Cooper, the most watched drummer. You can check him. And by the way, he's HOA's best friend because he's drumming surrounded by ROCKWOOL Safe and Sound.
Baby.
And you can check out his drumming at youtube.com/Coop, C-O-O-P.
It's Cooper drummer with 3s instead of E's.
Oh, Cooper drummer with 3s instead of E's.
Just hit the search bar and search Cooper drummer.
It's that simple.
There you go.
Thank you, Casey.
You're welcome.
All right.